Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Lenny Joy Pacleva Agudon. I'm 44 years old, and I'm married with one child, age 11 years old. I have four sisters and three brothers, and I'm the second child of the family. I'm a high school graduate and live in Damu, Isabela.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience in Dubai for 3 years to a couple with 3 children, age 17, 19, and 21 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I also work in Jordan for 3 years to a couple with 2 children, age 11 years old and 9 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, and looking for the children if my employer are not there. I also work in Qatar for 5 years to a couple with 3 children, aged 19, 21, and 23 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I also work in Hong Kong to a couple with 3 children, aged 10 years old and 13 years old, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and when the baby is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am responsible, hardworking, and obedient, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness
No,
before?
sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family, especially the study of my child, and to be financially stable in the future, sir.
If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
Yes, sir.
If you get hired, you will take care.
My husband, my parents, and in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at around 10 p.m. and wake up at 5 p.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient, sir, to dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, your relatives and friends of your employer, will you
Yes.
help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And
Can you cook Chinese food?
A little bit, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them so tight, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. If you hire me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to serve you. I am hardworking, obedient, and